Welcome back. We have a question here and it reads, simplify 12x minus 1 all over 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 as a partial fraction. Solution: 12x minus 1 all over 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to consider the denominator, and it is a quadratic equation. So we will see if we can factorize it out. And this quadratic equation is factorizable. So what we do is we'll take the a term multiply by the c term, that is going to be 2 times negative 3, which is negative 6, and we write down the bx term, okay, which is negative 5. Now the question is, what two numbers can I multiply to give me negative 6? But if I add them, I will have negative 5. Those two numbers are negative 6 and 1, okay, positive 1. Because negative 6 times 1 will give me negative 6, but negative 6 plus 1 will give me negative 5. So which means we'll have negative 6x plus 1x, which is the same as just x, okay? So I'll just write x. It means this negative 6x plus x, I can be able to write it in the place of negative 5x. So that will be 12x minus 1 over 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. So let's delete this and move on. Okay. So that is 12x minus 1 divided by 2x squared minus 6x plus x minus 3. Then let me just try to separate this into two brackets. We'll have this and we'll have this. Okay. Now what next? So we'll have 12x minus 1 divided by what is common here that I can factorize. We can say 2x, right? That will be 2x into x minus 3, such that if you multiply them, you will come back to this. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. Then plus, since I already have x minus 3 here, and this is also x minus 3, I can maintain it. So I'll have 1 into x minus 3. So that will be 12x minus 1 all over, since x minus 3 is common, then I can say 2x plus 1 can be factorized out. So that will be 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. Now we can be able to treat this as a partial fraction. So if I have 12x minus 1 all over 2x plus 1 into x minus 3, I can say a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 3. Okay, so what do I do if I have something like this? I will go on to multiply this whole expression by 2x plus 1 x minus 3. So that will be 12x minus 1 all over 2x plus 1 into x minus 3. This equals to a all over 2x plus 1 plus b all over x minus 3. So we'll multiply everything by 2x plus 1 x minus 3. So this 2x plus 1x minus 3, when it goes into this, it will cancel out. So we'll have 1. 1 times 12x minus 1 will give us 12x minus 1. This is equal to, if 2x plus 1 goes into this expression, 2x plus 1 will cancel 2x plus 1, then we will remain with x minus 3. So we'll use this x minus 3 and multiply by a. That will be a into x minus 3. Then plus, if this x minus 3 goes into this expression, x minus 3 will cancel x minus 3. So we'll be left with 2x plus 1. So we'll say 2x plus 1 times b. That will be b into 2x plus 1. So when I reach at this stage, what I have to do is to determine the constants a and b. And I can only do that by making the brackets to be 0. So how can I make this 0? Is only when x is equal to positive 3, such that positive 3 minus 3 will be equal to 0. How can I make this side 0? Is by making x is equal to negative 1 over 2, such that 2 times negative 1 over 2 plus 1 will be negative 1 plus 1, that will be 0. You see that? So that point is very important, okay? If x is equal to negative 1 over 2, what do we have? We'll have 12 into negative 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to a into negative 1 over 2 minus 3 plus b into 2, x is negative 1 over 2 plus 1. So minus 12 times 1 is minus 12 divided by 2 will give me minus 6. Minus 1 is equal to a into, let's say, minus 1 over 2 minus 3 over 1, right? Plus b into 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Then plus 1. So negative 6, negative 1 is negative 7. This is equal to a into, we find the LCM here will be 2. 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Minus 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus b into negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So this will be negative 7 is equal to a into negative 1, negative 6 is negative 7 divided by 2 plus b times 0 is 0. So we can forget it now. So that will be negative 7 is equal to a times negative 7 divided by 2 is going to be negative 7a divided by 2. To find a, we cross multiply. So that will be negative 7a is equal to 2 times negative 7. So that is negative 7a is equal to negative 14. The negative signs will cancel. So that is 7a is equal to 14. To find a, we divide both sides by 7. So a is equal to 2. So that is a. Going back to the same expression, 12x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into 2x plus 1. Now we're going to say if x is equal to 3, what would be b? Okay, because we want to find b now. So using 12x minus 1 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into 2x plus 1. If x is equal to 3, then we're going to have 12 into 3 minus 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 3 plus b into 2 times 3 plus 1. 12 times 3 is 36 minus 1 is equal to a into 3 minus 3 will be 0 plus b into 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1. So that will be 35 is equal to, so this is 0, there is no need for us to write it. So that will be b multiplied by 6 plus 1 is 7. So 35 is equal to 7b. To find b, we divide both sides by 7. Okay, so b is equal to 5. All right, now what do we have to do? We're going back to where we've said 12x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b divided by x minus 3, and then we substitute the values of a and b. Okay, that is what we have to do. So 12x minus 1 all over 2x plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to a divided by 2x plus 1 plus b all over x minus 3. So all what we have to do is to substitute the value of a and b. And a is 2, so that will be 2 divided by 2x plus 1 plus b is 5, so that will be 5 divided by x minus 3. And that answers the question. So therefore, 12x minus 1 all over 2x squared minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 2 divided by 2x plus 1 plus 5 all over x minus 3 as a partial fraction. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this is the first time of visiting this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and share the video.